Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia, Spain. Here we have a standoff between creatures of nature, the Pata Negra pigs. They are wallowing themselves here in the dirt, and the dogs are waiting for them to run, because they only chase when the prey is running. Don't go through there, but let's see. The rule is, if they stay there, I cannot touch them. And if they come in here, I can negotiate with them to become biltong. I'm here on the northern border. The property is the shape of a slice of pizza. I'm here on the round part of the pizza slice. I will make my way up to the top and see what else we can find of interest this way. This is a fallen tree. I think it's still on the Google map, and those maps were taken more than 10 years ago. This is the first of a few areas we have set aside as a natural area. We picked them because of some rocky outcrop areas, and we would like to take advantage of this and have some seating, some quiet walks through them. This harabush brush I will still remove, and here I want to sow some more oats and wheat and rye, alfalfa. Should I have animals, I want to feed animals from the land and not buying it from somebody else. The house is over there, the first of the natural areas. It has an L shape, then it goes to this area. A lot of cows, cattle on the other side. They have lots of calves. They were born the last few days. Quite beautiful to hear the calls between the small ones and the mother. This is the first swale. It runs east-west, west-east. It is called the clay swale. Long after the rain, it still holds water because of the high clay content. This is the fence line, and always water here. I still want to build something out of this clay sometime. 1 part clay, 1 part sand, and 3 parts of organic material like hay. The first of the mushrooms. There's not a big variety in species. Here the trees, just the holm oak and then the cork oak. and then Jara brush, and then a few of the acebuche, the wild olives, and a few other things, like the people call them the matalos perros, the one that kills the dogs. I don't know why it's called like that, but here they are over here. And then also the, what they call the Andalusian pistachio. It doesn't produce any fruit. It's not native to the area, but it's a nice tree. Here I have a tin, one of the areas the deer used to cross. It was very easy access to launch themselves over here. This is the Andalusian pistachio. So we have this north facing slope, and this is the area I have cleared for the next swale. I have to remove these stones because this tiny excavator doesn't want to be on moving parts. The more solid it stands, the better for everybody. So it will come from here to that side. So we have the slope, then we have a cliff, then we have a flat area. This cliffside, lots of rocks. I just love walking there, sitting down, contemplating my sins. Let's go through. So another natural area set aside. So now I'm almost through this cliff. Some more rocky areas, just to have a small entrance. Just clear a little bit where people can sit, where Luna is now. And then the start of the flat area. When we come to the top flat area, one of the Roble Americano, American oaks that didn't survive. The flattest area on the land, also the highest area of the land where the water tank is. The idea is to have more water tanks like this, so that we can actually pump the water into them. All the water is lower than this area, except for the rain. And for irrigation, it is better to have a natural pressure, gravity, than to pump it. Getting towards the southern border. The other road is used by 5 neighbors, so they come in and out 10 cars a day. This one leads to a forestry area with eucalyptus trees that are used for producing paper in a mill in Portugal, just across the border, about 30 kilometers from here. I have planted 100 eucalyptus nitens. This is a beautiful survivor. Only 7 of them made it, and then a few jacarandas. And then some more mushrooms. No, you're a dog, you're not a mushroom. Some of them are quite interesting. You're also a dog, not a mushroom. So, the walk from the north to the south, the neighbor over there. I'm the only one living here. They all have houses in the village. Some more pigs on the other side. Our house is a newly built house. That was important to us because these old structures built out of stone and mud are terrible to maintain. Till next time, goodbye.